If you're a Huawei user or interested in their latest updates, we have exciting news for you. HarmonyOS Next is rolling out incredible new perks for its public beta users, including free access to themes, music, videos, and even premium memberships on third-party apps. However, there's a catch: it's a first-come, first-served offer. Let's dive into how you can secure these perks and what's in store for HarmonyOS Next users. HarmonyOS Next is Huawei's latest system, already turning heads with its unique benefits. Huawei recently launched a public beta program for HarmonyOS Next on 20 compatible devices, but the real excitement comes with the rewards. They're offering free themes and exclusive access to several first-party app memberships for lucky beta users. If you're part of the beta, this could be the perfect time to explore Huawei's app ecosystem in a whole new way. Now, let's talk about these membership benefits. Huawei has brought an array of perks across their system apps. Huawei Themes, you'll receive a 3-month free membership, giving you access to a range of exclusive themes to elevate your device's look. This is a one-time benefit, so act fast. Huawei Video, enjoy a 3-month membership here as well. The cool part: this benefit will be delivered in 3 installments, keeping the entertainment flowing month after month. Huawei Music, you also get 3 months of music streaming, again in 3 installments, ensuring an uninterrupted experience. Huawei Reading, for the bookworms, a 3-month reading membership will be a treat. Whether it's e-books, audiobooks, or magazines, you'll get access to premium reading material in 3 installments. If you're an early beta user, Huawei has ensured you won't miss out. The benefits will be added to your account automatically. New beta users, don't worry, you just need to follow a few simple steps to claim your rewards. Here's how you can get your hands on these benefits. To claim your free perks, go to the Huawei apps like Video, Themes, Music, and Reading. Look for the public beta user upgrade gift banner, tap on it, and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on the app, you may receive either a one-time collection or monthly benefits. It's pretty straightforward and should only take a few minutes. The perks don't stop with Huawei's own apps. HarmonyOS Next beta users will also have access to premium memberships for third-party apps, including iQIYI Gold VIP Season Card for streaming on iQIYI, Bilibili Premium Season Card for anime and video fans, iQIYI's Super Member Season Card for professionals needing advanced document features. These memberships aren't available just yet, but they're on the way. Huawei aims to give its HarmonyOS Next beta users a premium experience with both in-house and partner app perks. One crucial point to note: Huawei is only offering these free themes and membership benefits to the first 1 million public beta users. If you haven't signed up or claimed your benefits yet, we recommend acting quickly. This is a limited-time opportunity, based on a first-come, first-served policy. As HarmonyOS Next expands, this may be one of the few chances to enjoy such a comprehensive set of free benefits. That's all you need to know about the exciting HarmonyOS Next perks for beta users. Huawei is clearly pushing the envelope with this beta release, adding real value through free themes and exclusive memberships. If you're on the beta, don't miss out, go claim your perks today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Catch you in the next one.